in desperate need of a co-host, Roger.
Well, thank you, Brooke. I'm glad to be here. I'm glad I could help.
You're just a couple months late, but it's all
Yeah,
right.
okay. I put in my application and it got lost in the mail.
That's what happened.
No, I forgot the email.
I'm
I mailed
just
it.
kidding. I'm just kidding.
It's okay.
Okay, so today we're talking about some interesting gadgets because on daytime, people send us stuff to our office all the time. It's just the most random stuff you've ever seen. Some of it happens to be pretty darn cool, though. So
Yeah,
we're going to show
some
people
practical stuff.
some of that stuff. So what do you have first?
Well, I've got these tread cases, and it's recycled tread tires, rubber tires from South America.
Huh.
And what it is it's rainproof, it's heat, acid, UV resistant. So what you do is, you just get it, put your phone in it, and
or
if
a camera.
or a camera, and you can. It actually smells like tire and roadkill.
Yeah,
so it's kind of neat.
This is squirrel.
Well,
Oh, wait, what do they
South
have
America.
in South America? Do they
Yeah.
have squirrels in
No,
South America?
it could be, I don't know,
I'm
like
gonna take
a snake or
picture.
something.
Look,
Here
I
we
just
go,
took
smile.
a picture of Wes and Nicole in the background.
Yeah, but this was an idea
Wes
that was
taking our
born to
picture.
protect. Think about it. You get to use tires and then recycle them. Because what happens in South America, obviously, are they burning a lot of this rubber, and of course it goes up in the sky. It's not good for the ozone, I guess. That's why we have all this rain. I don't know. But it's a great product, and you get to protect your stuff from all those things.
And then also we have here, this is handy dandy, I'm going to try to pronounce it, the Balanza digital luggage scale. You loop it around the handle of your luggage and then lift and then wait for the beep, and then that way you can know how much your bag actually weighs before you get to the line there, because you know how they like to throw your bag up there and then weigh it, and then they're like, oh, your ticket was already $400, but we're going to charge you an extra $100 because your bag weighs so
Don't you
much.
love that?
And now you're like, no, you're not.
And
I
guess
know
what?
how
The
much my
airlines
bag
came
weighs.
up with that product. They're selling it. So they're getting us on both ends.
They're getting it either way.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Or you could just weigh it in your scale at the house.
That's true. That's true.
Of course, we don't have scales in our house anymore, do we?
No.
Not when you're getting pregnant. You don't step on a scale.
We don't need to know that information. Okay, so the third thing, we have a I can't even pronounce this. Scorchy.
Yeah, that's it. Sounds good to me.
Scorchy something Revive Light, and it's a home charger with a night light for your iPod or iPhone, and you can charge your device without the hassle and mess of cables. And then the frosted night light automatically illuminates in low light. And something that y'all might not have known, Roger's actually afraid of the dark. So this is
really
perfect.
Well, it saves you from running into walls when you're trying to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night.
It's excellent. Or you're like, where's my phone? Where's my phone?
Yeah.
Well, just follow the light. Follow the
Where
light.
is it? Of course, if your iPhone rings at night, it lights up like a beam. So
Yeah,
don't call me at night.
Okay.
But that's a neat idea, and it recharge anything you get to recharge, because I don't know about you, I've lost rechargers. It's just it's crazy. So it's a good thing. Hey, another thing we have here is look at this little bitty thing. This is a sound clip. And what it does is it enhances your iPhone. We got an iPhone right here. And what it does, pull it, still charging. So and what you do is you pull it out here, and you put it right here. And what it does is it directs the sound back to you. Whereas you see where the sound is coming out down here? And it's funny because when I talk on my iPhone, sometimes I put my hand there to cup the sound towards me. But now I got
cuppage action?
a little cuppage action. I learned that playing baseball. And then, so now you get this little clip here.
You should never make a pregnant woman giggle that hard, something might come out.
You got a small bladder and you got a baby bouncing on it. So that's what that puddle is. I thought it was raining outside.
My water didn't break.
Yeah, thank goodness. Oh my goodness, wouldn't we all be in trouble? I wouldn't know what to do if your water broke right here. I'd be like, come here, baby. So I've never delivered a baby before. That would be kind of neat.
It's the first time for everything.
But this is a nice little sound clip, and so it directs sound, so when you're gamers and stuff like that can have the sound going too.
All right, tell me about that down there.
This is Ubes Talk. This is a great thing. Now,
that is old
it's classic, old school. Believe it or not, I love it. I have an old school phone.
So how does that work?
You plug it in. Now, you got a phone over there.
I do. I'm
Give
going
me
to
a
call
call.
you.
If you don't mind. Hey, Brooke, you mind calling me, please?
I'll give you a ring sometime. Okay, it's ringing.
And then you just go.
It's not working.
No, it's working. It takes time.
Oh,
you go,
okay.
oh, hey, my phone. Excuse me, hold on.
Are you ever going to get that? Okay, he's got to plug it out.
Got to plug it in.
Hey, can you imagine?
Hello.
Oh, hello. How are you?
Hey, Brooke, how are you doing?
Hey, what's up?
Brooke from NBC.
You're so crazy. I'm making up on you.
Oh, awesome.
Did I win? You won nothing.
I know.
Guest co-host for a day. That's what you won.
I was the only entry in the contest. But thank you.
One by default. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, we have this travel pillow. It's Natura Dream Travel Pillow made of naturally hypoallergenic latex. So if you go a lot, then you can handle this. It relieves the body of thermal stress, allowing you to sleep better and for longer. I mean, wow. And you know what else I like about this?
I recommend the driver not. Yeah, I recommend the driver not using that pillow. So
whatever. You know, I'm notorious for taking naps in my car.
That's what we heard.
I am
on the side of the road asleep. Oh, that's just work. She had another long day at work.
All right. Well, Roger Schultz, thank you so much for being guest co-host for a day, and we're going to do some other fun stuff with him in the future, so stay tuned.
Does my pay these products?